Hello everyone, I'm Akif Mateen, Fund Manager of ABFX Fund Management Services. You are coherently welcome to watch ABFX Trading Corp's weekly Forex market outlook for 33rd week of 2017, which is from 14th August to 18th of August. Each and every week we post our weekly market outlook in our YouTube channel, so stay connected with us through YouTube and share our videos. These are the links through which you can stay connected with us. You may find these links in our Facebook page also. So let's move on. Well, here are some fundamental facts that we have to consider for the upcoming week. Is that Federal Reserve's Kaplan has told that the key rate closer to neutral, and also he quoted that Fed should be patient on inflation. And he also stated Fed to soon shed bonds and should hold off rate hikes. And Mr. Kashkari also has said after the CPI data been released that the CPI data is a good reason to pause rate hikes. So these things actually possessed US dollar a bit weak than actually we expected. So in this week there is a possibility that US dollar may get weak. Also we are seeing that IESA strong oil demand actually helping the market to rebalance. And China central bank says that to keep yuan stable and neutral monetary policy to continue. And also Global Times stated that China should be neutral if North Korea fires first on US. So there are some geopolitical tension going on through the whole world and also in the forex market. So let's see what happens. So let's have a look to euro. Well, euro actually was high last week because the CPI, the consumer price rose less than expected, and actually it's been pointing to benign inflation. And Federal Reserve is now more cautious about raising interest rate again this year. So this actually made euro a bit stronger and dollar weaker. Let's have a look on sterling. Though Britain has some trade deficit issues and their car production and construction related data is falling, so pound is a bit weak than any other currency, at least from euro. So let's have a look to Canadian dollar. Well, US inflation data, the CPI data actually pressured the greenback, and as global oil demand is rising, so obviously contrary to that, Canadian dollar is a bit strong. Dollar actually slumped because of the mounting geopolitical tensions between the US and North Korea, and it actually benefited the gold and as well as the Japanese yen. So one of the safe haven currencies is Japan yen in such situations. So yen is a bit stronger that we actually have seen last week, and also there is a possibility that we will see in this upcoming week. And Australian dollar was hurt by weak commodity prices. Also, Bank of Australia actually held its rates, and also there are some tensions, geopolitical tensions. So, unitedly, the thing for Australian dollar is that Australian dollar strength is a bit weak. But as US dollar is weaker, so obviously, AUD respected to US dollar will be a bit stronger, in the upcoming week. So let's have a look to the oil and the gold. So International Energy Agency (IEA) said that market rebalancing would be delayed due to weak OPEC compliance with output cuts, despite strong demand growth. The demand is strong, but the output, the market rebalancing would be delayed. So these things actually is a hint to higher oil prices. So let's see what happens. Gold will actually, due to geopolitical tensions, so obviously investors actually, find gold as a good safe haven thing to trade. So obviously gold price actually has risen past week, and obviously there is a possibility that it will actually rise more in the upcoming week. So let's see what happens. Our expectation for the upcoming week is that GBP will be fundamentally weak, or we will see some bullish sideways movement going on. We will see US dollar will be weak. US dollar will be weak, and rest the other currencies that is being stated here will be fundamentally stronger, and or it may actually show some bearish sideways movement. So let's see what happens. Here are the upcoming news that is gonna release in this week. In Monday we have NZD retail sales news. We have China's industrial production news. On Tuesday we have Australian monetary policy meeting. So we actually are expecting some good move in gold, AUD USD and AUD JPY pair. We have GBP CPI news. It's a very vital news for pound. So obviously we are expecting some good movement in GBP USD, Euro GBP and GBP JPY. We have USD retail and core retail sales in Tuesday also. We have US dollar bidding permits news in Wednesday, and most importantly we have US dollars FOMC meeting minutes on this Thursday. So the investors and the traders actually are looking to that. Before that, there is a possibility that US dollar will be weak, but in the meantime, if the geopolitical tension reduces, if after the FMC, dollar may rise. If the geopolitical tension arises, then obviously US dollar will be more weak. If the war begins with North Korea and USA, so US dollar will be strong. That's actually we are expecting. We have NZD PPI odd employment data and GB retail sales news on Thursday, and we have Canadian CPI news on Friday. So trading USD CAD will be a good option on Friday, by the way. Let's have a look to dollar index chart. Well, this was actually our previous week's expectation that it will actually fall up to 93.18 level, and then actually it will retraces back up to 94.8 level. So but right now, as US dollar is a bit weak, so our expectation is that it will actually fall. This is our actually expectation, and the red line is our alternate expectation. So our expectation for the upcoming week for US dollar is that it will actually fall up to 92 level. Let's see what happens. Let's have a look to gold chart. Gold actually break this crucial trend line, by the way, but it actually go bit bull, and it actually break this trend line. So obviously our expectation for the upcoming week is that it will actually rise initially up to 1300 level, and on the higher level there is a possibility that it will actually touch 1314 level. If not, after touching 1300 level, our alternate expectation is that it will actually fall up to 1274 level. So let's see what happens for gold. Let's have a look to oil. Well, oil, this was actually our previous week's expectation, and it actually made so perfectly that it actually touched our TP level, and there is a possibility that it will actually retraces back from this trend line and move up to 51.5 level. If not, if it breaks this trend line, so we are expecting some bearish movement up to 47 level for oil. So let's see what happens, folks. So that's all for now. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe our channel, comment anything you want to ask, and if you like our videos, then please share our videos. So hope we will stay connected. Till then, goodbye.